welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you something else than only resin, and therefore I have something they call Porsalino. It's probably only available in Germany or in Europe, so you can also take jesmonite or aquacast. So don't worry about the numbers on my scale here. Yeah, that was not the right thing because I pressed onto the scale and stuff like that. So the ratio for Porsalino is 3 to 1, means 3 times the powder to 1 time water. But with jesmonite and aquacast, it's maybe different. So I uh, leave some information in the description box below. So what I'm doing here, I'm mixing it and trying to get no lumps in there, and I'm pouring it into my coaster mold. And as you can see, it's really, really liquid, and I love that because it forms or it copies like every single detail of the mold that you put in there. So the more liquid it is, the better it gets the details off of the mold. And what I'm doing now is I give those molds a shake and a shimmy, and trying to get the bubbles out that may be stuck on the bottom or inside of the liquid. And the only thing that you have to do right now is let it dry. Porsalino dries, is demoldable in about 30 to 45 minutes, but I leave it mostly like 3 or 4 hours or maybe overnight. After 24 hours, you can paint it. And the way I do it is I take some mica powder and some gloss varnish, mix it together, and paint my pieces with it. The beauty of the way doing it this way is that the mica powder keeps its metallic look. It won't get dull or anything. It's just like if you would uh, stir it into the resin. So you could always put the mica powder into the Porsalino or the aquacast or jesmonite, but it loses this metallic look if you do that. So the only thing is left is going to be the color and not the shine of the metallic pigments. So as you can see here, it keeps really its shine. So what I'm doing now is I'm just painting the top of my pieces, and as you can see, those pieces are not really white because I try to paint the still liquid Porsalino with some other metallic paint, and that didn't work. It just stuck on the well, it stayed on the surface and didn't really combine with the Porsalino liquid. So it just wiped off in the end. And as you can see, I'm giving this a top coat, and I will do that 2 to 3 times to get an evenly coating. And yeah, I will show you this with this single one because the other ones are just the same. Now my pieces are dry, and what I'm doing is I'm putting a design on with some paper stickers. If you have vinyl stickers, you don't need to seal the stickers after you put them down. But ever since I have stickers made out of paper, I have to um, seal them up. And I take the same gloss varnish that I took with the mica powder and paint it just on there. I do that because I don't want the resin to like get through or into those paper pieces. because that would look kind of funny, and that's why I seal them with that. So now I'm taking a little bit of that gloss varnish and just spread it all over the surface. And this will seal up the paper from the stickers, and it seals the color as well one more time. I'll let this run for you. If you don't want to watch me decorate the other ones, just skip ahead. After this is all dried, I will do a flood coat, but I didn't include this in this video. I will leave a link for another video where I show the flood coat and how it's done right on the top corner for y'all, and you can yeah, watch this. If you have any questions about those coasters or anything else, just leave a comment in the box below and I will answer as soon as I get to it. At the end, I show you some pictures of the finished coasters with the flood coat, and I hope you like it. If you like my video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. It enables me to make more videos for y'all, and it shows YouTube that the people are interested in the things that I do. Thank you.